Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS Ninja Interview Experience 2025. As we know that the interview will be start from tomorrow itself, or we can say that 19, 20, 21, 22 till 10th June. So TCS Ninja is the profile and I am sharing the experience with all of you. This is the first video, TR, MR, HR question. And in this playlist I will share all the videos with all of you. 2 days ago you can see this video. It is for Ninja Digital Prime. All the videos for all of you can check out. Okay, I will also share the free resources for all of you. As we know that we are talking about the Ninja opportunity, so Ninja UG offer is 3.36 LPA and Ninja PG offer is 3.53 LPA. UG means undergraduate courses. If you are from BE BTech, okay, so you can apply for this opportunity. If you are from PG courses, you are from ME, MTech and MCA, you can apply for that. Okay, so this is like that. So for the Ninja opportunity, TCS Ninja opportunity, your projects knowledge, your internship certification, your technical knowledge, MR question and HR questions are very important for the Ninja opportunity. And previously for the 2024 batch, in the 2024 batch interview previous year, so like they ask the coding questions in Ninja opportunity as well. Okay, they ask the coding question, or we can say that they ask the some SQL queries related question. Okay, basic to medium, like we can say that they will ask the basics related question, and SQL is also basic related question. This is very important. So you have to prepare the basic coding question like palindrome. Okay, what is like many numbers related question, other question. So SQL queries basics related knowledge, coding question basics. Okay, if you are from non-tech branches, so they will check your projects related knowledge. They will check you know any of the technical subjects or not. Okay, or they will check you have knowledge of the particular your branch. Okay, so this type of questions they will ask generally, so you have to prepare very well. So as we know that for every interview there is a 3 round, TR, MR and HR round. TR is technical round, MR is managerial and HR is HR round. So technical interview, first of all, in technical interview you have to prepare your resume. Mention only those things in which you are confident. So resume is very important. Okay, resume is very important. Mention only those things. Suppose you mention I know Python, C++, Java, Cobra in multiple languages, and they ask multiple question. Okay, suppose you are proficient in Python, so you can mention like this: you have knowledge of Python basics. Okay, you have knowledge of Java intermediate. Okay, you have knowledge of C++ advanced. So why it is important to mentioning the level like basics, intermediate and advanced? It will very important for all of you, and it will help interviewer also to understand what is your current level. And they will ask what is your preferred programming language and in which programming language you are proficient. So you can mention I know I am proficient in Python basics. It is very important. Okay, so after that the computer science subject, object oriented programming concept, operating system, DBMS, SQL, software development lifecycle, computer network, data structures and algorithm, basic concept for the Ninja. Okay, so this is the computer science subjects. If you are from CSE, IT branches, so they will check this. And at least you know one programming language, at least you know. They will ask also like how many coding question you solve. Whether for the Ninja opportunity, coding questions are not mandatory according to the previous trends. Okay, but the thing is they will definitely ask if you are from CSIT branches, so you know at least one programming language, Python, C++, Java or any. And if you know the trending technology knowledge, it will added advantage for all of you. Okay, and the fourth thing is project, internship and certification. They will ask what are the technology you used, what is the role and real life use of your project. Second is managerial interview. In the managerial interview, 3 type of questions will be asked. Situation based question. This is the situation based question. How will you react to last minute changes to technical assignment you spend weeks completing? Project based question. What are the roles? Okay, what are the technologies that you used in your project? What are the difficulty you have faced in your project? Puzzle based question they will ask. Puzzles based means I suggest everyone to, you can go to the GFG website, okay, where you will find the top 100 puzzles, okay, top 100 puzzles that is asked in the placement. You can write like this, puzzles GFG, okay, top 100. So you will find top 100 puzzles asked in interview. This is asking TCS strategy for 2-player coin game, okay. So this type of puzzles related question will be asked in managerial interview. Third is HR interview, and it is a last interview, and previously in the 2024 batch, those candidates who perform very well in TR plus MR, they will move forward to HR, okay. In some state, TR, MR, HR in a single session, in a single interview, but in some state only TR, MR will be there. According to your performance in TR, MR, the third round HR will be scheduled. There is a rejection, okay, according to performance. So you have to perform very well in TR, MR. Tell me something about yourself. Why should I hire you in TCS? Are you willing to change your domain? If yes, why? Are you willing to relocate? Strength, weakness? Are you team player? Tell me something about the recent trend. Why do you want to join TCS? This is the question generally they ask, okay. So let's discuss about the experience of candidate, those who shared this update, okay. Profile is TCS Ninja, batch is 2024, candidate branch is IT Information Technology, state is Maharashtra, interview duration is 20 to 25 minutes. So first of all, technical and MR round will be there. They ask the resume based question and project based question. Again I am mention only those things in which you are confident. Suppose you are confident in Python, suppose you are confident in Java, so mention only those things. And first question from interviewer is TMAY, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. So you have to only mention those things, okay, in which you are confident. So it will very good for your introduction. And the most probably next question is from your introduction itself. Suppose you mention I worked on one of my project that is in Python, so the next question arise from Python itself, okay. Suppose candidate mention I worked on this project that is in the Python, so they ask the project related question. The next question is asked from candidate about Git command. It is very important, Git and GitHub difference. It is very basic questions, and it is asked from CS IT candidates and non-IT candidates as well. So you can go to GFG website where you will find the list of useful Git commands, okay. Git commands are very important, and you can check about Git commands, Git and GitHub difference. Candidates have to know the Git and GitHub difference as well. SQL, DDL, DML, TCL, DCL and DQL. This is SQL commands, and this is one of the most asked question in the interview, okay. For that you can go to this website GFG SQL command, where you will find all the commands. So this is very important. Next is union and join difference, delete and truncate difference, SQL related question and ask, okay. Now the programming language and object oriented programming concept will be asked. So you can just see the trends. First they ask the project related question, okay. After they move to the some of the technical part, they check the SQL, that is a technical subject knowledge. After that they will move forward to the programming language and technical subject. Read and write operation in Java, inheritance all type, why not multiple inheritance in Java. You can see next question arise from the previous question itself. Polymorphism time, method overloading in detail, exceptional handling, okay. So the thing is, whatever you learn about the trending technology, whatever you learn about the technical concept, okay, and you tell you mention in your resume, so the generally most asked questions from itself. So you have to prepare very well, okay. So the first is technical and MR round. Again I am mentioning you have to prepare the technical subjects like SQL, OOPS, okay, object oriented programming, database management system, DSA concept. It is very important. Next is HR round. HR round, ready to relocate, 1 year bond, how do you see yourself in next 5 years, about emerging technology. Candidate are giving the ninja interview, but they are checking the knowledge of your trending technology. That's the most important thing, okay. Say something about AI. Are you interested in AI project? Hobbies, certification. Since mention in resume, proof you are a team player. Challenges faced in project. So HR questions are this. Okay, for that I suggest go to this website Interview Bit, where you will find TCS HR interview question. Okay, multiple questions are there. It is very very important. Who is the founder of TCS? Who inspired you to be an engineer? What will do if you are rejected today? This type of situation based questions are also asked. Let's discuss the next interview experience. They ask questions from intro. I already mentioned whatever you mention in tell me about yourself, the questions will be asked from that. OOPS concept basically focused on SQL question, again technical, but did not ask from me. HTML version on which you made project, they will also ask this type of question. OSI model, about project and logical question. MR, why do you want to join us? Over 5 years, strength, weakness, any question from us, took 8 minutes. HR interview, in which document checking, strength, weakness and problem faced in your project. This is a next experience. Okay, it is a ECE branch, it is a non-tech, like all 3 rounds in one day. 14th June, Assam, Guwahati, around 10 minutes. Every candidate got a discussion round and document verification with HR. Result will be declared in TCS Next Step portal within 2 weeks. Ninja interview, TR plus MR together. Recursion, okay. What will you bring to TCS? Add 2 numbers without plus operator. Coding question is asked. Okay. Self intro. Fibonacci series, again coding question. Reallocation, my favorite subject or language. No project related question. Only technical questions asked in this interview and basics concept is asked. Okay, so you have to ready with the basic programming problem, that is very very important. HR round, document verification, reallocation question and package detail, training program explanation. So this is the today's video of TCS Ninja interview experience. I hope you like the video. This is the detailed video, and again I am saying you can check out the free resources and apply for opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.